very happy to learn that the Department of Journalism of the Maulana Azad Urdu University is celebrating 2 decades. I'm very happy. There will be full-scale celebrations about this. This university has come up very well, and I have often been there to give lectures, give talks, and participated in other conferences also. Urdu journalism is a very important part of India. Just as there are language journalism classes in Hindi and other regional languages, Urdu journalism is also very important. And it is coming up quite fast. And a lot of people in the university, a lot of students are studying. Students come from all over India, and therefore it can be said to be a first-class faculty. And they often take up non-regional subjects. Usually in local universities, they always take up issues regarding their region. But this Urdu University is one such place where there are students from all over India, so you don't take up local issues. And this department has done very well, and I wish them all the best in their endeavor.